Welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 4th of May. And first of all, national news. Rahul Gandhi declared assets worth over 20 crore. Rahul Gandhi filed nomination from Raebareli accompanied by Sonia Gandhi Priyanka. Supreme Court stayed opening of road outside Punjab Chief Minister's home in Chandigarh. Indian expats urge US government to reject religious freedom report. Highways Authority planning to build self-healing roads in India, a report said. Now international news. Nepal's top court put cap on number of Everest climbers. UK's climate action plan unlawfully vague, rules High Court. Gaza food situation slightly improved, but famine risk remains, WHO. Pakistan launched first lunar mission on China's wings. Police removed pro-Palestinian students occupying top Paris University. Russia said it killed Ukrainian agent plotting terrorist acts, a report said. The CST 100 Starliner test mission will ferry two NASA astronauts to the ISS. Houthis offered education to students suspended in US universities over Gaza protest. China launched probe to collect samples from far side of moon, a report said. Myanmar stopped foreign work permitted after military service law sparks rush. And now some sports news. Sunrisers Hyderabad stole a win from the jaws of defeat in the Indian Premier League IPL on Thursday. Pakistan will be playing a total of 7 tests against 3 different teams. Business related news. Sensex recovered slightly after falling over 1,000 points. Adani Green Energy quarter 4 registered profit rose 86% on strong sales. Adani Green Energy secured $400 million finance from international banks. Science related news. US space scientists rediscover satellite missing for 25 years. Being angry even for a few minutes can increase risk of heart attack and stroke, study found. And that's all in news. Thank you.